Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So today is going to be kind of a multi-haul. I've shopped at a few different places. I think I shopped at Home Bargains. I did the majority of the shopping there. I did shop at Heron, but I don't know if there's anything in here because it was mainly freezer food. So basically it's kind of products that I bought for the home more than anything else. Food, and you know, it's kind of lifestyle as well. Shampoos and conditioners, those types of things. And I wanted to show you what I got, just purely because I don't do these kind of hauls often. So Minnie Mouse is completely full. Ugh, such a full bag. Right, so let me put her down. First of all, let's talk about these. These are so good, guys. So, you know, I'm on this diet with Slim Fast. I'm looking at things like snacks that don't have that much calories in them. And I saw these in Home Bargains, and I love cookies. And these ones are only 98 calories per serving. It says the Skinny Co. Mini Chalk Chip Cookies, and they come in little bags like that. I mean, they are really cute, and I do like snacking on them. Let's see, the calories are 98 calories. Like I said, it's 2.3 grams of fat, 0.4 grams of fibre, protein 1.1 grams, and salt 0.9 grams, so it's not too bad. So yeah, I'm really loving these. I got 2 boxes of them, and now that I know that I like them, I wish I'd got more, just purely because it's a good snack. So there's them. I also got these ones. I've not tasted these ones yet. So these are by Bliss. So it says less than 99 calories. It says Crispy Delight Indulgent Chocolate Bars. Now, I got to the till and I thought, it says Delight there, and the box is purple. I thought, they're not Turkish Delight, are they? Because I don't like Turkish Delight at all. I'm hoping they're not. Oh no, it says smooth caramel cream bars with crisp cereal coated in milk chocolate. I'm not actually hungry at the moment. If I was, I would kind of test it out with you. But yeah, that's the other box. And then this one. That's the other box of the Skinny Cookie Co. Cookies I got. So they should keep me going for a while. Oh gosh. Right, so let's talk bath and shower. So Creighton's are quite a good brand, and I saw this, I think it was about £1, and you're getting 1000 ml, 33.8 fluid ounces, and I've already used this for a bath the other day, but I put it back in here to show you. I mean, you can see that I've used some, it's about up to there. So it's the Almond Milk Moisturizing Cream Bath to leave the skin feeling soft and smooth, and no joke guys, it reminds me of marzipan. It's so good. So yeah, I really like it. I absolutely love marzipan. So yeah, it reminds me of, I don't know if you can get them in America, but they do these like little Battenberg cakes, and it reminds me of the smell of them. So I got this. This is the Herbal Essences Coconut Extract Hello Hydration Conditioner for dry hair. Now, I was going to get the shampoo as well, but I've got a couple of VO5 shampoos, so I just got the conditioner, and this also smells lovely. Oh, I just love the smell of coconuts as well. So that's that. I also got this. Oh, that's from Tesco. I'll talk to you about that later. I got these from Home Bargains. These are more about lifestyle. So these are my Slim Fast shakes. Now, normally I get one a lot smaller than this. So in these milkshakes, you can get 16 meals out of each one. So that obviously that's 32 meals. But I've also, I'll show you the standard size that it normally comes in. I've also got a couple of these strawberry ones. Can you see how much smaller they are? And this one just comes with 10 meals. So I've got 2 of these, so we've got 20 meals there, and then obviously 30 32 meals there as well, so that should keep me going for the month, I should imagine. Sometimes I don't always have 2 shakes, sometimes I'll only have 1, so they do last quite a while. But yeah, these ones was £7 each, and then this one was £5.50. So I just thought, considering how much more bigger the banana one was, I thought I'd get that. So in this small one it's 365 grams, and then in this one it's 584, so it is worth splurging a little bit more, especially as I'm drinking them every day. I got some pedal bin liners. This is just for recycling. Pretty boring really, so we won't talk too much about that. I also got this shampoo. I've tried this before, but they do one called Almond, and I think it's a German shampoo, and apparently, you know, if your hair falls out quite a bit, it's supposed to help, and it's supposed to encourage hair growth as well. So this is by the brand AAA. I've never used it. It doesn't smell nice at all, but it's a caffeine shampoo. Contains strengthening keratin protein for all hair types, and you do only get 250ml, 8.45 fluid ounces, so it is only a small bottle. I do want to try it out. It says AAA brand shampoo contains caffeine, known to stimulate hair root as well as promoting the growth of hair, combined with keratin, one of a family of fibrous structural proteins and the key structural component of hair, known for protecting and strengthening hair. So yeah, I'm looking forward to at least trying it and bringing a review on it. And then I think everything else is from somewhere else, so let's talk Bodycare. I only got one thing from Bodycare, and I needed this so bad. I was running out towards the end of last week, but I made it work. I got every last drop out of it. So it's the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Cleanser Water Gel. I absolutely love it, guys. It's so good, and in Bodycare it's only £2.99, so yeah, I highly recommend it if you have got a Bodycare near you, or you just see this in your local drugstore. I would highly recommend it. It says boost hydration, leaves skin refreshingly clean and touchable, supple, and it's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's so good, guys. I do actually have the matching Neutrogena moisturiser, and that's in a gel formula as well, and that's really good. It's good for dry skin. I do actually have the dry skin one, just purely because I need it for the hydration. Like, my skin gets so dehydrated. Then I went to Superdrug, right, and I got these products. They were all on sale, and I was looking for the mousse that I normally get. I mean, I haven't got anything on my hair at the moment. This is its natural state, and I wanted some mousse and some other products to actually kind of tame the frizz. I mean, there's quite a bit of frizz in my hair at the moment, so this mousse looked quite nice. The one that I normally get, they didn't have in, so this one is it says new look, same product. I hope I haven't tried this one before and it makes my hair really stringy, because I'm sure I've got a VO5 one in the drawer in the bathroom. So it says VO5 True Curls Curl Defining Mousse. It says natural frizz free curls with definition of hold, used on towel dried hair. Perfect for curly hair. In the next video I'll probably try these. I won't do it in this video because I don't want it to be too long. And then I also got, I think they were £2.99 each. They should have been around £5–6. Then I also got the VO5 True Curls Overnight Curl Cream. I thought I could put this on before bed and hopefully it'll make a difference. So this one says, wake up with curl control, anti-frizz formulation, long lasting effect, perfect for curly hair. So it says overnight curl cream, VO5 overnight curl cream, curls for your curls with our anti-frizz formulation. It accentuates and strengthens your curls while preventing frizz and maintaining natural movement. Use overnight for a hassle-free start to your better hair day. That sounds good, doesn't it? So I hope that works. And then the last one is this one. So this one is the VO5 Natural Smooth Frizz Free Air Dry Cream. Controls frizz, revives and tames. Perfect for thick unruly hair, which is what my hair is. The thing that's knocking me off, I didn't see it when I bought it in the shop. I don't think I've tried these in this tube, but I feel like I may have tried the Mousse. It says new look, same product. And it's the air dry cream, if I didn't say. So it's the Natural Smooth Frizz Free Air Dry Cream. So yeah, I mean, I do air dry my hair. I don't put it under a dryer or anything like that. The only time I put heat on my hair is when I straighten it. But yeah, when it's in this state, no heat goes on it at all. So yeah, we'll be testing them out. And then, I think there's just one more, no, two more things. So yesterday I went to the pharmacy. I had to put a prescription in because I went to the doctors, and I'm on antibiotics now because I've got a really bad kidney infection. So I saw this, and I don't normally use hand cream, and I just thought, well, I should really start using it. I'm getting older now. So it's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula with vitamin E, daily skin therapy, softens, relieves rough dry skin, 24-hour moisture, hands, elbows and knees. So I could actually use this here. I mean, I'm really dry on my arms. My hands aren't too bad, but yeah, I'll be using it. The net weight is 60 grams and it's 2.1 ounces, and it was on sale for £1.67, so I just thought, well, why not give it a try? And I did use it yesterday and it was really good. It's made with pure cocoa butter and vitamin E. It absorbs fast, I would agree with that. Provides 24-hour moisture, softens and relieves. Suitable for eczema prone skin, soothes skin after sun exposure, smooths marks and scars, paraben and phthalate free. I don't know if I've said that last bit right, but yeah, I thought I'd get that. And then the last thing is a boring one really, but we all need it. I got this from Tesco when I went to Tesco yesterday. So it's the Tesco Extracts Magnolia Antibacterial Hand Wash. And it says it kills 99.9% of bacteria. I don't need it at this point, but I will be needing it soon, so it's good to have backups of soaps. And this one was only 85p. I might actually get another one because that is a really good price. So guys, that concludes the haul. So the places I went to was Home Bargains, that was the majority of it. I went to Heron as well, but that's all freezer food, which is nicely tucked away in my freezer. I went to Superdrug, I went to Bodycare and Tesco, and then the pharmacy. So you've seen it all. Like I said, I don't normally do these kind of hauls because I don't know if people will want to see them, but that's what I got. I'll probably go again next month and get some more bits and pieces. If you do like to see these kind of hauls, just leave me a like, then I'll know. So guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I really would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.